In the heart of the forest, a young girl filled with wonder stumbles upon a hidden grove. Ella meets a group of mesmerizing rainbow fairies in the hidden grove. Ella discovers the magical abilities of the fairies and sees them bring joy and vibrancy to the world. The fairies face a looming threat to their home, casting a shadow over their existence. Ella vows to aid the fairies in protecting their enchanted realm, standing united against the impending danger. Together, they devise a cunning plan to thwart the threat, facing obstacles with unwavering resolve. Despite setbacks, Ella astounds the fairies with a clever solution, proving the power of collaboration and ingenuity. The antagonist has a change of heart, joining forces with Ella and the fairies to save the forest, bridging the gap with understanding and compassion. The threat is vanquished, and the forest is saved through unity and friendship, as Ella, Lila, and Rosa revel in their hard-earned victory. With memories of magical adventures and lessons of cooperation in her heart, Ella says goodbye to her newfound friends, leaving the enchanted grove behind.